Blockchain. Is it just a buzzword, or is it changing the world as we know it? From powering cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin to revolutionizing industries like healthcare and finance, blockchain is the backbone of the future. But what is it, really? Stick around as I break down what blockchain technology is, how it works, and why it matters, all in simple terms. Welcome to Financially Savvy. I'm Belinda, and today we're diving into one of the most revolutionary technologies of our time, blockchain. If you've ever been confused by terms like distributed ledger or decentralization, don't worry, you're not alone. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what blockchain is, how it works, and why it's so important. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on tech insights and future trends. Now, let's get started. Number 1. What is blockchain? Let's start with the basics. What is blockchain technology? At its core, blockchain is a digital ledger that records transactions in a way that is decentralized. No single person or entity controls it. Instead, it's spread across a network of computers. Immutable. Once data is added, it can't be changed, making it secure and tamper-proof. Transparent. Everyone in the network can see the transactions, but personal details stay private. Think of it like a giant spreadsheet shared across the internet, where every entry is permanent and verified by a network of computers. But instead of just tracking numbers, it can record anything: money, assets, contracts, even votes. Number 2. How does blockchain work? Now, how does blockchain actually work? Here's a simple breakdown. Blocks. Transactions are grouped into blocks. Each block contains data, a unique code called a hash, and the hash of the previous block, which links them together. Decentralized validation. Before a block is added, a network of computers, called nodes, must agree that the transaction is valid. This process is known as consensus. Security. Once added, blocks are nearly impossible to alter because you'd have to change every block in the chain, a monumental task. This system ensures that blockchain is both secure and reliable, without needing a central authority like a bank or government. Number 3. Why does blockchain matter? So why is blockchain such a big deal? Let's look at some of its real-world applications. Cryptocurrency. Blockchain powers Bitcoin, Ethereum, and thousands of other cryptocurrencies. It ensures secure, transparent transactions without a middleman, like a bank. Supply chains. Companies like Walmart use blockchain to track products from farm to shelf, ensuring transparency and reducing fraud. Healthcare. Patient records can be stored on a blockchain, making them secure and accessible only to authorized parties. Smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code, enabling trustless transactions. Blockchain isn't just a technology, it's a paradigm shift in how we think about trust and transparency in the digital age. Number 4. Challenges and limitations. Of course, no technology is perfect. Blockchain has its challenges, including energy usage. Some blockchains, like Bitcoin's, require massive amounts of energy for mining. Scalability. Processing a large number of transactions can be slow and expensive. Regulatory issues. Governments are still figuring out how to regulate blockchain and cryptocurrencies, which can create uncertainty. Despite these challenges, the potential of blockchain far outweighs its limitations, and newer technologies like Ethereum 2.0 are addressing many of these issues. Number 5. The future of blockchain. So what does the future hold for blockchain? Here are some exciting trends to watch. Mass adoption. As blockchain becomes easier to use, more industries will integrate it into their systems. Decentralized finance, DeFi. DeFi platforms are already disrupting traditional banking by offering decentralized loans, savings, and more. Web3 and NFTs. Blockchain will play a key role in creating the next internet, Web3, and powering digital ownership through NFTs. The possibilities are endless, and blockchain is just getting started. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone curious about blockchain. Got questions or thoughts about blockchain? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to chat with you. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on tech, crypto, and the future of innovation. See you in the next one.